Hello viewers, welcome back. In the previous video we have set the first two properties. First is the data source name, second is the database URL. Third property is username, username is root. Fourth property is password. This is the password for my database. You give your own password. Fifth property is the diver class name. So the diver class name for the MySQL database is com.mysql.cj.jdbc.diver. Set the DDL auto property to update. So when you set this property to the update, if the table is not created first, it will be created. Does not exist, it will be created. If it exists, it will be ignored. So next step, let us go to the main class Spring Data JPA. Okay. So in this class, create the application context. Let us import the class. There is some problem, let us wait. Okay, I got it. This is not application context, this is configurable application context. Okay, click here, import configurable application context. Double click this one. So let us see the package is imported or not. So the package is imported, configurable application context. So next step is to create the bean, context dot get bean. Class name is user repository. Dot class. So it will return the user repository. This user repository class is used to perform Crud operations. Let us name it user repo. Import this package. Click this button. Import user repository. So you can see the class is imported. Type mismatch, cannot convert user to user repository. Okay, error is resolved. So next by using this user repository class, create an object user is equal to new user. So the class is created. Import this class, import user. Set the properties, user dot set name, username, set the city, Hyderabad, set the status, programmer. Now by using the user repo object, call the methods. So you call the save method to create the object in the database and pass the user object. Okay, so it will return a user object user1. So to verify the object is created or not, display it by using system.out.println user1. So there was some error here. The problem is we have not saved this user class. Click the save button. So when you click, the error is cleared. Okay. Now user repo, we have some error here. Let us see. So I think this class is also not created. Go to user repo. So import the user repo class here. Import user. Okay. Click save button. So again when you come here, see all the errors are resolved. Okay. Now we have to perform one more step. Open the MySQL command line client. Enter the username. So enter the password. ASDF123. Display the databases. Show databases. So you have a database test. So open it, use test. Show tables. We have table. Let us see some tables are existing or not. Some records are existing or not. Table and user. Okay. So first you drop the database. Drop database. Test. Show databases. So test is not there. So again create database. Create database. Test. Okay. So database is created. So we have to perform this step before running the application. Okay. So start the application. Let us see whether it runs or not. So we have some error here. Let us see what is the error. Error creating beam with entity manager fact depending class path resource. Unable to create request resource. Unable to define dialect. So we have to set the dialect here. Control C. Okay. Properties. Okay. Now let us save and run the project. Click Spring Boot tab. There is one more error. No qualifying bean of type user repository available. So there is some error in the user repository class. Let us resolve it. So I have identified the error. The port number is not 38080. This is 3307. Okay, let us save this and run the application.